at his ripe age. On the 3rd of October, he's going to be 85 years old. The man is a wizard behind his guitar. When he sings, it comes with so much wit. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only personality, Ejako Nemo, to give us one of his tunes that carries so much wisdom and wit that the present generation is supposed to be learning from. Are we?
Odo sesro Christian Nancy Mundon Fred. Nancy Mundon Fred. Nancy Mundon Fred. Nancy Mundon Fred. Nancy oh yeah. Nancy Mundon Fred. Nancy Abrante biano of February di ju bi so boano. E tentra so bi wu afa. Penifo so ti of e kira o so ti wachi.
and gentlemen.
From him, I'll go to UK, America, Trinidad and Tobago,
Madison Square Gardens,
Germany, Battle, and
now, Upo Yanum Nasawa, Yana responsibility, then I am a Kafaho. Upo Yanum Nabisawa, open for more.
When you miss a Koku, don't you look for I'm a Potoka Academy in Ghana, storytelling is a domestic activity, and Kokwanasi is the hero. Now, one would ask, who is Kokwanasi? I want you so many stories to be told about him. According to the late Dr. Oflasabene, in her play, The Marriage of Anansiwa, she says this. Anansi appears to represent the kind of every man, artistically distorted and exaggerated to serve society as a means for self-examination. He has a penetrating awareness of the culture and nature of human beings and animals. Legend has it that Anansi once decided to collect all aspects of wisdom, placed in a pot, climb a tall tree and hide it. Unfortunately, he placed the pot in front of him. It made climbing difficult. So his own son, Koku Tikma, said, Papa, I think there has been a serious omission in your thinking. With all apology. If you place the pot behind you, make climbing easier. So Anansi, in anger and frustration, dropped the pot, hit the ground, broke it to pieces, and wisdom spread all over the world. So no nation, no people can claim monopoly of wisdom. Self-qualified, nuclear physicist from Australia. Knowledge is not wisdom. Then what is wisdom? Wisdom can come only from the interplay of science with society, from the evolution of ethics, morality and law, and I repeat, and law to govern the actions of all men.
Put your hands together for him.
In 1942, when from the prah for Asante him fee, the Mason mentioned few to so.
Patamuti, we are 1 in a million exclusive interview. Auntie,
me and O level Ghaneains. The university here to corner him fee, Nigeria. And when our pa, and Ebenezer, Asakwa, Asante, Asapa, Adimpa, Empire. We are Sumia here. I want that. And then you're me too. I'm a guy. Same baby. I made the zoom. As I see Kumakun. Self-look. As a project. A war. A war. Kotoko do no war in Sweden. Abruntra.
Wow. The beauty of the language, man. Put your hands together for the man. Asante wa the Ghana wa the Mumu Musemano.